Hello, what's up everyone? So in this short video, I'm gonna give you one of the best copy trading you ever had in your entire life. So if you never log into Headway, try to sign up today using the link down in the description. Then in Headway, you'll have a copy trading account here. You'll see copy trade. Go to copy trade right now. You see I have 2 accounts copied. So I want to add 3 more accounts. It means to have total of 5 accounts. So in strategies, go and search for someone called 100 times. This is the copy trading account you need to follow. So just click it. This guy is the best. What is copy trading? If you don't know what it is, copy trading is the system whereby the professional traders trade on your behalf. So the only thing you do is withdraw. So yeah, as you can see, he trades for you. So it's like you are getting 50-50. Yeah, so what you need to do, just go start copy trading, then choose an account here. So for me, I want to create a new account because these 2 are already taken. This investor information too. I have 2 accounts here. So when I click start, I will click create new account, MT5 USD, then leverage use 2000. Okay, use center account, not standard, center account. Then after that, put your password. So yeah, so that's my account. Or you can just generate if you want, just generate it, then create an account. So after creating an account, right now you see 0, so you need to put some cash in here. So yeah, so let's put some cash here, and the only thing you need to do is just deposit $10. So let me deposit. So you'll choose this account, everything is the same, agree, then deposit. So go to your deposit account. As you can see here, click deposit, choose the account you want to deposit with. Then I think I'm gonna use this one, and I will only deposit $15 for this account, only $15. Then yeah, wait for the message. So enter your password. Yeah, there. So we have already deposited. So I think I will have to create more accounts. Yeah, so let me create new center account, leverage 2000 again, then generate a password, then create new account. Then this new account also I want to deposit. So again, $15 account, deposit. You'll have to enter password again. I have to enter password again there. Yeah, so right now I have 2 accounts deposited. I do for the last one. Don't worry, right now all deposit will be fractional. Okay, let me generate also this password. Remember, account should be sent MT5 USD 2000, then create account. You don't need MT5 for this. You don't even need to log in anywhere. So this will be the last deposit, $15. I guess even the last one I deposited 15. So let's wait for confirmation here. Let's wait for confirmation message. Okay. This is taking longer than usual. Okay. I think I will get message very soon. So After creating an account and deposit, you see like I have like several accounts here. Yeah, this is the last confirmation. After doing all this, just go to the okay. So at least one of the deposit already here, but others they are still on pending. So what you will do, go to start copy trading, then choose the one of the account that you want to copy with dollar, with that $15. You can put more, but I don't think if that important because only $15 matters. Then click see detail. Then here, leave as it is. Just click allow terms and condition, and hopefully this account is ready. Yes, new account. Okay, I think there is a issue here. Let me see on deposit. What will I get? Yeah, because it's already here, no need to put that. Deposit doesn't mean you'll start depositing. You just click start copying. So if you click start copying, right now you'll be successful. Right now I have 3 accounts. For the time being, maybe you have seen this, I will be already having all 5 accounts login. I'm still waiting for other pending accounts money to enter in order to put them here. So that's it, guys. That's how to start copying this and relax. If you want to see anything, any detail, just click on his history. Maybe you'll see how he trades. By the way, this guy is called Saigex. On YouTube, you can have a look at his account. Very professional trader based on the field, I can say. So have a look. You can have a follow there, learn some strategy for yourself and more. So as you can see, this was the last week. Withdrawing of 236 means if you have 2 accounts, you'll withdraw. Okay, so you'll withdraw times 2 means that will be 400. If you have 5 accounts, that will be 1,000 and more. So this week target is 1,000 plus. What if we go to 10,000? Who knows? Imagine you have 5 accounts and all those 5 accounts reach that is 50 USD. So guys, you have to check out. This is one of the best thing I ever had. Yeah, even if you don't know how to trade, this can be, or even if you know how to trade, this can be like a side hustle, side job, which can help you generate more and more. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. And before I forget, have a subscribe to Saigex. And if you don't know how to get this broker, the link in description is called Headway. See you.